Guys, just got home and my new bed cover is sitting on my front porch. So let's go ahead and tailgate weather stripping, LED light. Got all of our mounts with our rails. Got the cover out of the bag now. Quality seems very nice. It's got our front strip seal, seals on the corners where the rails will meet up. Some nice thick vinyl. Everything seems very well made, especially for the price. So next we're going to go ahead and get the old cover off the truck and get this one installed and see how everything goes. Alright guys, getting ready to install the bed cover. The kit is very well put together. Everything is labeled. This is for the driver's side. They've got the marks showing where to put clamps. The instructions I got are a little bit older, and now all the tools are included to put the bed cover on the truck. I'm going to be using a 4mm on my impact. So pretty much we're going to take this, set it up front, put the side rails on, install the clamps, and roll it out. So the whole installation should be relatively simple. Next, we'll take the driver's side rail, slide it into place. Good tight fit. We'll do the same with the passenger side. Get it lined up. Drop down. And then we'll take our clamps and our bolts. Just slides right into place. Drop the bolt in from the top. Bolt started on all three on this side. Get the driver's side started. And we'll go through and tighten them down. And once you're all done installing the rails, you roll it down and get it to lock into place. The only thing that I would suggest is doing it in either warmer weather or when it's sunny out, so that the top has a little bit more stretch to it. Because being new, it is very tight. But other than that, the fit is great. The quality is very good. Packaging was well. The instructions were very straightforward. I think I'm really going to enjoy this compared to my my hard trifold that I had on here previously. So definitely a good cover for the money. I'd definitely buy one again. It's very similar in quality to the Tuxedos that I've used in the past. It's good quality cover for the good price.